हरभजन सिंह ने बयान दिए तो उनसे बड़े क्रिकेटर, उनसे बड़े जो फैन फॉलोइंग रखते हैं, बड़ा नाम सुनील गावस्कर ने खुद अपने ही क्रिकेटर्स को जो जवाब दिया है और पाकिस्तान भारत के मैचेस के हवाले से बात की है, आइए देखते हैं।
If there were no points given, if there were 0 points for not playing, if there were 0 points, then I would say don't play them. But my best response as a player would be go and play and beat them, deny them the points. That would be the way I would look at it.
Whether the International Cricket Conference is the forum to bring it up, I'm not too sure, because I'm not too sure that it will work, because the other countries might say, look, this is an internal matter between India and Pakistan. They've got to deal with it. Please do not involve us. England will say, don't involve us. New Zealand, which is so far away, Australia, which is so far away, will turn around and say, please don't involve us in what is a matter between the two countries.
Excellent point taken.